Imagine this.
You arrive in a new country.
Everything is fast, loud, confusing,
You want to ask for help.
but your English disappears.
Your mind goes blank.
And suddenly, you feel completely lost.
If that sounds like you,
This lesson will change everything. Hey everyone, welcome back.
today we're going to learn English through a real-life story.
A story about being lost, scared,
And finally, confident.
and more importantly,
You'll learn exactly what to say when you don't understand English.
let's start the story.
A traveler arrives in London
She looks around.
and suddenly realizes she is lost. Excuse me, can you help me? Where is the train station?
Sorry, I'm in a hurry. Check the information desk.
Information desk? Where is it?
She tries again.
Excuse me, is this the way to central London?
Take the express train, level 3.
Level 3 or level 2?
And here's the problem.
People speak too fast,
She understands some words.
but not everything.
Now listen carefully.
This is how she feels. Why does everyone speak so fast?
She feels invisible.
No one stops.
No one explains.
She thinks, my English is not good enough.
But then something changes.
Someone kind appears.
Hello, you look lost. Do you need help?
Yes, I am very lost.
Don't worry, I can help you.
I tried to ask people, but they speak too fast.
That's normal. They don't know you are learning. Now pay attention.
This is the most important part of the lesson.
You only need 2 sentences.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Repeat it.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Can you speak slowly, please? Repeat it. Can you speak slowly, please? Now let's practice.
I'll speak fast, you stop me.
Go straight, turn left near the station.
I'm sorry, I don't understand. Can you speak slowly, please?
Go straight, then turn left.
Ah, now I understand.
Now let's learn simple directions.
Go straight means move forward.
Turn left, go left.
Turn right, go right.
Near, close.
Far, not close.
Excuse me, where is the hotel?
Go straight and turn right.
Is it far?
No, it's very near.
Now something important happens.
She tries again.
Excuse me, where is the bus station?
Go outside and turn right.
I'm sorry, I don't understand. Can you speak slowly, please?
Oh, yes, of course.
And now,
She understands everything.
and here is the truth.
You don't need perfect English.
You need simple English.
And confidence.
10 simple words can change everything.
And open doors for you.
Now listen carefully.
If you stay silent,
You stay lost.
but if you speak,
You find your way. Your challenge.
say these sentences out loud. I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Can you speak slowly, please?
And write them in the comments.
Be brave. Start today.